Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious gosht curry. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of bone-in lamb or goat meat, which provides the best flavor. For the spice blend, have on hand 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 3 teaspoons of coriander, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Don't forget fresh ginger, garlic, and 3 large onions, plus a cup of plain yogurt and fresh cilantro for garnish. Next, we prepare the meat and aromatics. First, marinate your 1 kilogram of lamb or goat with half a cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and a pinch of salt for at least 30 minutes. While the meat marinates, finely chop 3 large onions. Heat about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in a heavy-bottomed pot. Add the chopped onions and sauté them slowly over medium heat until they become beautifully golden brown and caramelized, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's build the rich flavor of our curry. Add the marinated meat to the pot with the caramelized onions. Brown the meat on all sides for about 10 minutes, ensuring it seals in its juices. Then, stir in your dry spices, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 3 teaspoons of coriander, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Cook this mixture for 5 minutes until the spices are fragrant. Pour in 2 cups of hot water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 1 hour. Finally, we'll finish and serve our delicious gosht curry. After simmering for about 1 hour, check the meat for tenderness. It should be fork tender. If it needs more cooking, add a little more hot water and continue simmering. Stir in 1 teaspoon of garam masala for an extra layer of warmth and adjust the salt to your taste. Garnish generously with a 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped cilantro. Serve this aromatic gosht curry hot with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.